Hello guys, welcome you all to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can uh, remove this service range or service reminder. You can see that my bike has ran up to 500 kilometers, and now how we can do that, let's see. Here is I button. You can see here is the I button, and you have to press this I button, and now this meter is in on the odometer. You have to press it, and you have to take it trip 1 and trip 2. Now you have to press it. You have to press it for 16 to 15 seconds, and you know that it became now 0, and after that you have to turn off the ignition, but still you have to press the I button until and unless some 20 seconds, and after the 20 seconds you have to actually restart the ignition, and still there is a reminder, you can see here, but you have to press it until it go, and you can see that the reminder has gone away. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you for watching.